Alright, so another important things, okay, that you need to know when you want to print a worksheet is if you have a formula, okay, how you want to print the formula. Okay, in this example, okay, so actually, alright, column G contains a formula. Okay, so how do you know? Okay, this is the column that contains a formula. Okay, when I click, alright, at the column G, example G2, cell G2, you will see, alright, at the formula bar will display the formula to calculate the total of these items. Okay, alright, so every single cells, okay, inside column G, it has their own formula. Okay, so if you just simply go to print, okay, as you have done it before, alright, so you go to print preview example, so you will see they didn't print the formula. Okay, so how you want to display the formula and how you want to print it as a formula instead of the actual data. Okay, so let me show you, alright, how we want to display a formula inside your Microsoft Excel. Okay, so you go to the formula tab, alright, and then inside the ribbon there is a formula auditing group. Can you see that? Okay, there is one button, show formulas. Okay, so when you click this show formulas, okay, what you can see inside your worksheet is, okay, they will display the formula instead of the actual value. Okay, alright, so the other way, the shortcut key is using Control tilde, okay, button. You hold the CTRL button on your keyboard and also the tilde symbol. Okay, this is a shortcut key for show and unshow the formula. Okay, so now we are at the stage of we are showing our formulas. Okay, so how we want to print this worksheet with this formula. After you show it, alright, it's simply, you just can simply print it. Okay, so example, I go to file, I print, so this is my print preview. Okay, so I check. Okay, so they display, okay, they will print the formula instead of the actual value. That is how you want to show the formula inside a worksheet, and also you want to print the data as a formula. Please remember how we want to show the formula inside the formula tab. Alright, inside the ribbon there is a formula auditing group. You click this button, show formulas, or you can use a shortcut key, Control tilde.